On the next Joe Schmo 2, our efforts to dupe the Schmoes continues.
Now, you're paranoid of a lot of things, and it's irritating.
I was so excited to be the first one to have some sort of conflict.
She doesn't play.
Bryce, he tried to hypnotize us.
And just look really closely at the end of the pin.
The National Weather Service in Riverton has issued a tornado warning for central Sweetwater County in south central Wyoming until 11 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 10:05 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado over Superior, or about 15 miles northeast of Rock Springs, moving east at 35 miles per hour. The tornado will be near EAS 136 around 10:30 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. EAS 139 around 10:35 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. EAS 142 around 10:40 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. EAS 146 around 10:45 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. EAS 150 around 10:50 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. Cable lock around 10:55 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. Move into a basement or interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Abandoned mobile homes and vehicles. Report severe weather to the National Weather Service office in Riverton at 1-800-211-1448. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 11 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time for the following counties: Sweetwater, Wyoming.
On every call, dial 1-800-CALL-ATT for collect calls.
You can look at skincare the girl's way or the guy's way. Introducing Gillette Complete Moisturizer with SPF 15. Smoother, healthy-looking skin in 14 days. It's time to face skincare like a man. Gillette Complete Moisturizer.